Hello friends, today's video topic is 100 beautiful kitchen design. We talk in video modular kitchen advantage and disadvantage. Let's start. A modular kitchen is a modern kitchen that has built-in units, also known as modules. This style of kitchen consists of cabinets that have a few standard-sized components. The major goals of modular kitchen design are to increase usability and facilitate effective space management. These types of kitchens are typically utilized in smaller areas. Each module is constructed using different materials and includes modular kitchen accessories. A modular kitchen has a minimum of 2 base units. One for the oven and one with drawers and shelves for a countertop. The cooking top and the kitchen sink are mostly built into the base units. Types of kitchen layouts. One-wall kitchen. A one-wall kitchen is a layout in which all of the appliances and cabinets are arranged in one simple line. It is the smallest type of kitchen layout, making it ideal for small spaces. They can still work for larger spaces as well, providing you with a spacious area. Galley kitchen. A galley kitchen has cabinets and appliances on two opposite sides, with an aisle in the center. Some galley kitchens have a pass-through space, whereas others have a dead end. Galley kitchens work great for those with small or narrow spaces, however they can work for larger areas too. L-shaped kitchen. An L-shaped kitchen is a kitchen layout in the shape of an L. Kitchen appliances and cabinets in an L-shaped kitchen are arranged on two adjacent walls. This is a popular kitchen layout choice, with its shape being equally suited for both large and small kitchens. U-shaped kitchen. A U-shaped kitchen looks like the letter U. With this kitchen layout, the kitchen appliances and cabinets are positioned across 3 adjacent walls. This layout is great for maximizing both storage and countertop space. Island kitchen. An island kitchen is simply a kitchen that has an island. A kitchen island is a freestanding cabinet or countertop that can be accessed from all sides. An island can be used for cooking, preparation, or dining. Therefore, it provides your kitchen with additional workspace and storage space. It is possible to combine other kitchen layouts with a kitchen island, depending on the space available. G-shaped kitchen. A G-shaped kitchen layout looks like the letter G. It has 4 sides of cabinets, with the 4th side usually being a peninsula. A peninsula is similar to an island, but one of the sides is attached to a wall or cabinet. Not all G-shaped kitchens have a peninsula though. Sometimes all 4 sides have cabinets that are against a wall. This will depend on the shape and size of your kitchen space. Factors to consider when choosing a kitchen layout. Size and shape of the room. The size and shape of your room is the most crucial factor to consider when deciding on a kitchen layout. For example, if you have a small and/or narrow kitchen space, you're likely not going to have the space for an island or peninsula. Kitchens with limited wall space, sloping ceilings, or with tricky features will also limit your options. It is therefore important to carefully plan your kitchen space before making any permanent decisions. Pros of modular kitchen design. Customizable. One of the most significant advantages of a modular kitchen is its adaptability. With modular kitchens, homeowners can create a kitchen that fits their personal style and needs by selecting from a variety of designs, colors, and finishes. Modular kitchens can also be easily modified in the future if the homeowner desires. Next, efficient space utilization. Modular kitchens are built to maximize space and efficiency. There is no wasted space because the cabinets and appliances are pre-made to fit together seamlessly. As a result, modular kitchens are an excellent choice for smaller homes and apartments. Next, simple to set up and maintain. Another advantage of modular kitchens is their ease of installation and maintenance. Because the components are pre-assembled, installation is quick and simple. Modular kitchens are also simple to clean and maintain because the materials used in their construction are long-lasting and simple to care for. Next, budget-friendly. Modular kitchens are typically less expensive than traditional kitchens. Because of the pre-made components and streamlined installation process, labor and material costs are reduced. As a result, modular kitchens are an excellent choice for frugal homeowners. Next, fashionable and stylish. Finally, modular kitchens are well known for their fashionable designs. Homeowners can design a kitchen that is both functional and fashionable by selecting from a variety of colors, finishes, and styles. Cons of modular kitchen design. Limited customization. While modular kitchens are customizable, there are some limitations. If a homeowner needs it too specific, he or she may not be able to get exactly what they want. This can be a disadvantage for those looking for a truly one-of-a-kind kitchen. Next, material quality. The materials used in modular kitchens can be of poor quality. While the components are long-lasting and simple to maintain, they may not be of the same quality as traditional kitchen materials. This can have an impact on the overall appearance and feel of the kitchen. Next, less longevity than traditional kitchens. Modular kitchens might not be as long-lasting as traditional kitchens. Because the components are prefabricated, they may not be as strong as custom-built cabinets and appliances. Next, professional installation is required. Modular kitchens require professional installation to ensure proper installation. This can be an issue for homeowners who want to save money by doing their own installation. Next, design options are limited. While there are many design options for modular kitchens, there are still some limitations to what can be done. If the design options are too limited, homeowners may not be able to achieve the exact look they desire. Finally, modular kitchen designs have both benefits and drawbacks. They are adaptable, efficient, simple to install and maintain, cost-effective, and fashionable. They do, however, have fewer customization options, lower quality materials, less durability than traditional kitchens, necessitate professional installation, and fewer design options. Finally, whether or not a modular kitchen design is right for you is determined by your individual needs and preferences.